Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the upcoming Poco M3 render leak showing unconventional design. The Poco M3 is going to become official tomorrow, November 24, and now just a few, like 1 day ago, before that happened, in images has been outed properly showcasing the upcoming device. As you can see from these leaked render, the Poco M3 seems to continue the unconventional branding trend started by the Poco X3. This time the logo is not a huge, but it's in a place you don't see such inspiration often, symmetrically placed at the opposite side of the camera island. Speaking of that, three cameras are on the back next to what look like the LED flash dual. The Poco M3 looks like to launch in a black, yellow and blue, but these may not be all the colors we will see. The screen has a water drop notch and we can clearly see side mounted fingerprint sensor, which probably means it's an LCD display on this one. According to rumored information outside by the same source as the image, the Poco M3 will have a 6.53-inch FHD Plus touchscreen, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chipset at the helium 4 gigs of RAM, 48 megapixel main camera and big 6000 mAh battery with 18-watt charging support. Apparently the phone could later get a rebrand to Redmi Note 10 4G. For the Chinese market, we will have to wait and see. There is no word on the pricing we should expect, but considering the 6 series chipset compared to the 7 series SoC in the Poco X3, we have to assume the M3 will be cheaper than that model, at least by a little bit. So the upcoming Poco M3 will launch tomorrow, and the specification, a rumor says it will come with a 6.53-inch 1080p by 2340 pixel 90 by 5 by 9 aspect ratio, and it has the Corning Gorilla Glass, Android 10, MIUI 11, Snapdragon 662 11nm chipset with octa-core 2.0 GHz Carrio and Gold 260, and the GPU is Adreno 610. It's come with a 64, 128 and 256 gigabytes with a 6 gigabytes of RAM. Backside has a 3 cameras, 48, 8 megapixel, 5 megapixel, and it can record 1080p at 30 fps video. So this is the latest report about the upcoming Poco M3. This phone will launch tomorrow. When this phone launch, I will make a complete detail or specification video. So make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Peace out and bye.